Welcome back to a new video, and today I will be showing you my stash or our stash. So here we have a stash. It's really nice. I didn't build it, Wins Oh My God did, and I paid him for the stash. So this is our stash: diamond armor, lava, some sandstone blocks, some water with glass, and this moss, some of this stuff, which is really nice design because it's like going up the top down like this, and a bunch of chests, coffers, diamond armor, and yeah, this is very good. And next stash I will TP to Wins Oh My God if he accepts. And this is the second stash, which is this stash. Crazy stash with a detail, and it is not fully done yet, but this is kind of crazy, and with diamond blocks and with a bunch of different blocks, which looks really nice. Obsidian with hoppers here and stuff, red blocks, sea lanterns. Yeah, this is really good. Oh, I broke it, sorry. But this is the second stash. I have a third stash, which is not mine, but I just got a whole mat. I don't think anyone is here anymore really, but this is like a really big stash. And we have enchanted some stuff, and yeah, so much chests and stuff. Here's my ender chest just to flex. Yeah. So good. This. So yeah, I am very rich because I have $124 million. This is another member of video. He is also recording a video right now, so if you wanna see that, you can also check it out a bit or when it comes out. What he isn't accepting. Okay, so I can go to the end now. I couldn't do it yesterday. Let's check out. So there may be an end way. If Elytra, no end update yet, but you could not go here yesterday, so that's a bit weird. Let's just check it out. Alright, but that's the stashes, and see you in next video. It will be coming out in a few days, maybe, or maybe today, but bye bye.